Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make design super simple, no fancy skills required. Today I'm going to walk you through how to wrap text in Canva even if you've never used design software before. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to curve your text around images and make your designs look polished and professional, all with just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free and it only takes a minute. Now, once you're inside Canva, locate the Create button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on that and you'll get a few options to start a new design. What we're going to do next is select Custom Size. This is a nifty way to control your workspace and make sure everything fits just how you want it. For this tutorial, type in 100 by 50 pixels as your dimensions. Don't worry if that sounds a little small, it's just for demonstration and you can always adjust it later for your actual project. Hit Create New Design and you'll be taken to a blank canvas, ready for you to work your magic. Now let's add some structure to the design by picking a template. Canva has a ton of templates you can use for free, and they're a great shortcut if you want your design to look balanced without having to figure out the layout yourself. Scroll through the templates on the left and just click one that catches your eye. Don't hesitate to play around, a template is just a starting point and you can always change things up as you go. Time to make it truly yours. Click on the text tool, then drag and drop some text onto your canvas. This is where you can write anything you like, maybe your business name, a slogan, or even just a test message to practice. Here comes the magic part, wrapping or curving your text around an image. With your text selected, head up to the Effects button on the top bar, click that and you'll see a bunch of style options including Curve. Go ahead and select it. You'll notice a slider appears that lets you control how much your text curves. Slide it left for a downward swoop or right for a beautiful arching curve. This way you can make your words hug the shape of an image, forming a circular logo or a creative headline. Don't worry if it looks a little off at first. You can always adjust the size, spacing, or even the font to get it just right. Just take your time here. Playing around is all part of the creative process. If you want to take it a step further, you can also add straight text beside your images for balance. Maybe you want your business name curved above a logo and then your website in a straight line below. Simply add another text box, type your additional information, and place it beside or beneath your main design. One of the best things about Canva is it lets you adjust the size and position of everything just by clicking and dragging. No technical know-how needed, and if you make a mistake, the undo button is your best friend. That's really it, it's that simple. With just a few clicks, you can create fun, eye-catching text effects in Canva, no design experience required. So give it a try and don't be afraid to explore all the different effects to see what suits your style best. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to smash that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or specific designs you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an easy design tip. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.